Welcome to Reading with Mrs. Laundry.
Ocean life up close. Squids. What are squids? Squids are some of the world's largest invertebrates. They have huge mantles and large eyes. These cephalopods force water through their bodies to move. They can swim in any direction. Squids are found in every ocean. Most live at least 1,000 feet or 305 meters below the surface. There is very little light so far down, but squids adapt to this environment. They can see far in the dark. Squids come in many different sizes. The smallest are only about 0.6 inches or 1.6 centimeters long. The largest are 43 feet or 13 meters long. These squids weigh nearly 1,000 pounds or 454 kilograms. Large eyes and soft bodies. The main part of a squid's body is called a mantle. Fins run along the top of it. A squid has large round eyes below its mantle. Pits beneath the eyes help it smell. 8 arms and 2 tentacles help a squid move and grab food. These are covered with strong suckers. A hard, pointy beak hides in the middle of a squid's long arms. Capturing prey. Squids are carnivores that hunt for their food. Fish, crabs, and shrimp are common prey. Squids catch prey with their tentacles and bring it to their beaks. The beaks are strong enough to break through tough shells. Squid bodies are soft and easy for predators to eat. These cephalopods stay clear of hungry whales and tuna. Some squids change color to hide from danger. Others shoot out dark ink to confuse predators. Squid life. Male squids interest females by changing colors quickly. Some males swim together in large circles while doing this. Females lay many eggs at once. The eggs bunch together in long, jelly-like tubes. Baby squids hatch on the sea floor. They are on their own from the beginning. These babies know how to swim right away. Soon they will grow into strong sea predators. The glossary has any bolded words from throughout the story.
Thanks for reading with Mrs. Laundry. Like and subscribe for more.